The HAPPRUN C12H is a versatile 1080p projector with 4K support, AI autofocus, 6D keystone correction, 5G Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.1 for smooth casting, audio pairing, movies, and gaming. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the HAPPRUN C12H autofocus projector, HDMI cable, power cord, remote control, component cable with adapters, user manual. Product overview. Remote button function. How to use. Connect the power cord to the projector and a wall outlet. Press the power button on the projector or use the remote control to turn it on. The C12H model uses autofocus to automatically sharpen the image at startup or after movement. Use the remote focus buttons for further clarity and adjust keystone correction. Connect the HDMI cable and select HDMI from the input source menu. Set laptop display to duplicate or extend. Insert a USB drive to play media files, pair Bluetooth speakers, and connect Wi-Fi for streaming and updates. How to connect. Plug an HDMI cable into either of the two HDMI ports located on the top left of the back panel to enjoy high-definition gaming from a console like a PS5 or Xbox. Use the HDMI ports to mirror your laptop screen, providing a stable connection for work, school, or media presentations. Insert a USB flash drive or external hard drive directly into the USB port to play your stored movies, music, or photos without needing a secondary device. Use the audio jack located near the IR receiver to connect external speakers, headphones, or a soundbar, which will significantly upgrade the audio quality beyond the built-in speakers. Simply plug a compact streaming device, such as a Fire TV stick or Roku, into one of the HDMI ports to turn your projector into a smart media center. The IR receiver is located on the right side of the top row. Ensure there is a clear path for the remote control signal to reach this specific sensor so the projector responds accurately to your commands. Smart features? The built-in CMOS camera enables automatic focus and 4-point or 6D keystone correction with plus or minus 50 degrees adjustment, delivering a sharp, square image within 3 seconds from any placement. The C12H delivers a native 1920 by 1080 resolution and supports 4K content, ensuring high-definition clarity and detailed visuals for movies and gaming. It supports 5G Wi-Fi, which provides a fast and stable connection for smooth screen mirroring and casting from iOS, Android, and Windows devices. The built-in Bluetooth 5.1 allows you to connect wirelessly to external audio equipment such as soundbars, Bluetooth speakers, or headphones. The device features 15,000 lux, 500 ANSI brightness, a 12,000:1 contrast ratio, and a 6x lens utilizing an IPS screen and RGB plus PB lamp for improved brightness and uniformity. The rear panel includes a comprehensive selection of ports, 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an AV port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it compatible with a wide range of devices like TV sticks, game consoles, and laptops. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your HAPPRUN C12H autofocus projector. See you in the next one.